Have you ever wondered what really happens behind the scenes of a murder investigation? Not the dramatic version you see on TV, but the careful process of uncovering the truth, one clue at a time. That's exactly what makes Dissection of a Murder by Joe Murray such a fascinating audiobook. This isn't just another crime story. It's an intelligent, gripping journey into the anatomy of a murder case, where every detail matters and every discovery changes the direction of the investigation. As the story unfolds, you'll find yourself examining evidence, questioning motives, and trying to solve the mystery alongside the investigators. What makes this audiobook truly stand out is its immersive storytelling. Listening to the narration feels like stepping inside the investigation itself. The suspense builds naturally, the twists arrive at just the right moments, and every chapter leaves you wanting to hear just one more. If you enjoy psychological crime, detective mysteries, or true-to-life investigative thrillers, this audiobook deserves a place on your listening list. It's the kind of story that keeps your mind working long after you've paused it. The audiobook experience makes every revelation more intense. Hearing the emotions, tension, and atmosphere through professional narration creates an experience that's difficult to match by simply reading the pages. If you're looking for your next unforgettable mystery, don't let this one pass you by. Check the link in the description to start your free audiobook trial and discover why so many mystery lovers enjoy experiencing stories like this through audio. Once you begin listening, you'll understand why it's so hard to stop.